I'm Wilson Rodden. I'm Principal of Applied AI and Product Strategy Lead on our Innovation Lab team, working specifically on the Iris product. The camera that you see here is developed to go inside of fuel tanks, right? It's UL certified. It's able to provide this two-way communication between a supervisor or a subject matter expert outside of the tank and the person inside of the tank performing maintenance. When they were able to have that two-way communication available, it took about 20% less time to do each task. That means that we can go on to the next plane and increase our mission readiness. In its current form, we're able to pair this with applications of AI, machine learning, computer vision, that not only allows them that communication, but allows them to go back, review their tapes. The real goal of Iris, especially because it's maintainers that are going to have to interact with this system, is we don't want information overload when you look at this dashboard. We don't really want it to even look like you're interacting with some super bleeding edge AI, even though in reality, we've got things like zero-shot learning. We've got multimodal Gen AI that's able to extract information from images and video. We're using a number of really high-end pieces of technology. The reason why that's so useful is these maintenance tasks take hours. And when I say hours, I mean like a full work day sometimes. It's extremely difficult for someone to spend 5 hours working in a fuel tank and remember exactly every single thing they were supposed to do, right? We already have the further searchability into that where you can say, show me where someone is taking a tool out of a green bag, and it's going to very reliably extract the areas of video where that's happening. If they're able to get through the job, correctly, first try, then that means that we can move on to other work in our backlog. On top of all of that, it also should mean less time in tank for maintainers themselves. I'm Wilson Rodden, and this is Inside the Lab.